can finally be qualified. So now I gotta be vigilant. I gotta scope out the area. Make sure nothing jumps out, and I gotta destroy anything I find. It's a little bit dark back there. Don't see anything. I guess it's cleared. Stuffed animals.
Victory. Victory.
Sorry, I got a cold. Whew. Bye.